You will need a separate virtual appliance to learn big data integration to ODI. Go to this website, accept license agreement and download all required files. After downloading, make sure all of them are in the same folder and unzip the first one. And you will get a .oda file. Next step is to open the virtual machine and click on File, Import Appliance and go to that ODA file just created by unzipping the first file. That is the virtual appliance, that ODA file. Okay, you are there now and click on Open. Click on Next and select the option is like MAC address, agree on the conditions and click on Import. And right there, the import has started. It will take some time. For me, it took about half an hour. So depending on your computer speed, it might take more, it might take less. Wait for it to finish. Very good, more than 60% done. It might finish any time now. Here you go, the import has finished and you can see big data Lite machine right there. Select that and start. Once again, based on your computer speed and how much memory you have assigned, this might take anywhere between 15 minutes to half an hour or more or less. Let's wait, it's starting now and over here it will show you the progress. Very good, it's going. It's Oracle Linux Server 6.9. Awesome. It's going well. Wait for it to start. Good going. It's finished. It's coming up. Awesome. Looks like we will see the big data desktop any moment now. Wow, here you go. You will see by default Oracle user, the password is welcome1 in small letters. Welcome1. Enter the password and click on login. And here you go, your big data Lite desktop. This is where you are going to have fun and you are going to create the projects which will integrate big data using ODI. I will see you in next lecture. Just go through this desktop, explore what is already there. From next lecture onwards, you will start working on projects.